y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Mackenzie, and today I'm going to be bringing you an all-day clean with me. I would love to have you guys stick around and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and if you like this video when it's over, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out here on my channel. So we just got done playing in the sprinkler, so I went ahead and picked all that stuff up outside, and I'm going ahead and washing off all the windows on the doors because it's been a few weeks since I've done that and they were looking pretty bad. The pollen here in South Carolina is really bad this time of year. So I'm still looking for something a little more heavy duty to clean off these tables outside, but for now I've been using the Method glass cleaner and it's working pretty well for the most part, but it does take a lot. And if you're wondering if my counter always looks like this, yes, pretty much anytime I start cleaning, this is what it looks like to begin with. My counter is pretty much a catch-all for everything.
I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood, longing for you, oh, but I can't get back. What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone.
So right here I'm just washing off my table with the Method wood cleaner, and honestly this wood cleaner is a polish, it is a shine, it is pretty much everything. I love it. I'm so glad I found it. I did used to use Pledge, but it left a little film, so I tried this out and I have not went back since. Right here I'm trying out this product called Plink. I've never used it before, but I'm going to be using it in my garbage disposal right here, and honestly it smelled so good. I picked up the lemon scent after my friend Heather told me about them. Heather also has a channel. It's called Heather Ragucci, so you guys can go check her out. But it really made my entire kitchen smell good, so if you haven't tried it yet, I would try it. I got mine at Bed Bath & Beyond, but I think you can get it at Walmart too if I'm not mistaken.
You're keeping the smiles apart. You got me down, down, down like a waterfall. You know just how to restrain a heart. Of obsession has never been this close, and the matter if I'd rather just lock myself indoors. Unrighteous, this virus, no dog or pill can cure. This pattern won't turn it. You got me by the cord. I'm going down, down, down like a waterfall. You're keeping the smiles apart.
Oh, and if anyone is wondering, I'm still loving my wax melts from Zape that I talked about in my last cleaning video. They will make the entire house smell like a bakery. Right here I'm just getting the kitchen straightened up, and as I'm doing this voiceover, it already looks like this again, but it is what it is. If I never clean it, it'll just get worse and worse and worse. So I go ahead and do it every time I get a chance, and I just hope it lasts longer than a day. I know I don't bring you guys in my office very much, but that's because it's always a disaster. And right here I'm just going ahead and dusting off my desk, but if I'm completely honest, this is long overdue. So today I was vacuuming my entire house. It's not something I do every day. I don't always vacuum the carpet or the bedrooms, but I do the hardwood floors almost every day. But this day, it was probably a week since I had done it last, so I just went ahead and got it done.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me.
I'm going ahead right here and getting some laundry done. Also, you'll see me right here in a minute, I accidentally dropped the lid in, and it made me think of something. I know a lot of people will drop the lid into their laundry detergent. I have never done that before. Leave down in the comments below if you do that.
When I'm in this town, look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break.
So right here I'm just using the Bona Mop and the Method floor cleaner. I was looking for a new floor cleaner for a while, and I had been using vinegar for so long, and it worked well, but it left a smell in the house, and the Method wood floor cleaner really just leaves a lingering all around good scent, and it works really well too. So I'm glad I tried it, and I've been using it ever since. Thank you guys so much for watching another clean with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would love it if you would give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and leave me a comment down below and let me know how you found my channel. I always like to hear that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!